finally here. It's finally here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and guess what I have? A box. Yes, I am doing an unboxing, but not just any unboxing. I am unboxing a new craft table for myself called Up2U. And I bought it on the Home Shopping Network, and the reason I bought it on the Home Shopping Network is not because I watch the Home Shopping Network, because I don't. I promise, I swear I don't. But it's because I saw the same table at a craft store called Michael's, and it was on sale for $149. And I was like, oh, that's cool. But and then when I went back, it was like $249. I was like, what? So I looked it up on the interwebs, and I found it at HSN for $119 right now. So I'm not getting any money from HSN, but whatever, you know, I want you guys to save money like I did. So let's get to this wonderful unboxing.
What's in the box?
Ooh, it's a pretty color. Okay, so let's see how, okay. See, this is the part that I'll show you in unboxings. They just, oh, it's so pretty. They just like grabbed it out, but. Should I be doing it this way? Oh, that's not good. By the way, the creaking you hear are my bones, not the box. There it is. What is it? It's got these things. Styrofoam. Wait, I should look at the instructions first. All right, I don't have my glasses, but it says, first stand the desk in an upright position. Okay. First, stand the desk in an upright position. Okay. Why is it so hard? Is that the most annoying sound? All right, wait, what are these things? What is this? What is this? Next, pull the desk from both sides in an outward position. Now, make sure to apply the locking latch on the back of the desk. So let's fold it up again. Oops. How to install wheels. So before I turn it over, let's find these things. Yeah, lots of fun. Jeez, thanks. Okay, I'm gonna go get some scissors. I'll be right back. Scissors. Didn't say to get scissors. Where are the instructions? Here they are. Did not say it's the need to get scissors. Telescoping computer desk. Step-by-step instructions, except they forgot this step, and I don't know what this is. All right, so I'm assuming these are the wheels. Well, that was useful. Oh, I'm just turning the wheel now. I'm not screwing it in anymore. I was just turning because the wheels turn. You see? Okay. Stop it. You've done this yourself, I'm sure. Wait a minute. The wheels are different. What does that mean? Where are those instructions? I need my glasses. All right, let's see. Take the wheel and screw it into one of the feet of the desk in a clockwise direction by using the wrench. Oh. Step 2, repeat step 2 for the rest of the 3 wheels. Okay, but and then it says step on the foot switch to move the wheel lock. But it doesn't tell you where to put the, I guess it doesn't matter? I see. So you attach that one, but they didn't attach this one? Why?
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so let me explain. So there was an issue with one side with the screws, and I kind of sort of like fixed it, but I don't want to unflip it because it's like drying. I pretty much put like a little bit of Bondo or wood filler or whatever because the screws kept coming loose, so we had to refill them. So that part's done. This is the desk. Oh, one last part. So I have to put handle instructions. Press the plastic handle onto the metal tab on the side of the desk. Repeat for the other side. So let's do that because that should be easy enough. Should be easy enough. Wait, did I do it right? Yeah, it's like that. Okay, and then I gotta cut all the other thingies off. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's the lock. All right, I'll get to that in a minute. What is with this unboxing? There you go. Oh my goodness. Look at the mess I've made on my floor. Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot to put the handle over here. Yay! Oh my goodness, and I think it's done. So, this is the Up2U desk, and it's like toted as a rolling computer desk because yeah, you could use it for your laptop or what have you, and usually you can flip it up, close it the way you saw it when it first started. But what's cool is that you do this. Goes down, and then it goes up. Effortlessly. Look how cool. So now I have a nice official craft desk that I can put away, and I don't have that wobbly table that I was using all this time, and I can roll it around so I can dance while I craft. Isn't that cool? So again, this is Up2U, the number 2, U. Up2U, because it's up to you, however you want to use it. And so yeah, UP2U. That's how it says. And like I said, I bought it on HSN if you're interested. I know other stores sell it, but that's the cheapest place I found it. So let's get to crafting now on this wonderful table. And thank you for watching me as I unboxed this and lost my mind. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.